Hello students, in last lecture we have studied quantifiers, duality, negation of a compound statement and negation of a quantified statement. In this lecture we will study concept of converse, inverse and contrapositive. We will learn how to find converse, inverse and contrapositive of given statement pattern. Okay. Students, from conditional statement which is P implication Q, we can write down three additional conditional statement: converse, inverse and contrapositive. Okay, here P implication Q means if P then Q. P implication Q means if P then Q. Then converse of P implication Q is Q implication P. That is, if Q then P. Inverse of P implication Q is negation P implication negation Q. That is, if negation P then negation Q. In the similar way, contrapositive of P implication Q is negation of Q implication negation of P. Okay, that is, if negation Q then negation P. It is very simple. Converse of P implication Q is Q implication P. Inverse of P implication Q is negation P implication negation Q. Contrapositive of P implication Q is negation Q implication negation P. We will solve one question from your exercise, which is write converse, inverse and contrapositive of given statement. Question is, if surface area decreases then pressure increases. If surface area decreases then pressure increases. स्टूडेंट्स ये ध्यान में रखना है, जब भी क्वेश्चन कन्वर्स, इनवर्स एंड कॉन्ट्रापोजिटिव पे आएगा तो हमें जो क्वेश्चन दिया रहेगा, जो भी स्टेटमेंट दिया रहेगा, वो इम्प्लीकेशन फॉर्म में होगा, इफ देन टाइप का स्टेटमेंट होगा, कंडीशनल स्टेटमेंट होगा. ओके, जब कभी भी क्वेश्चन कन्वर्स, इनवर्स, कॉन्ट्रापोजिटिव फाइंड आउट करने के लिए आएगा तो दिया हुआ स्टेटमेंट कौन से फॉर्म का होगा? कंडीशनल होगा. ओके, जिसे हम इम्प्लीकेशन बोलते हैं. ओके, नाउ फर्स्ट स्टेप इज टू फाइंड कन्वर्स, इनवर्स एंड कॉन्ट्रापोजिटिव. द फर्स्ट स्टेप इज कन्वर्ट given statement pattern into symbolic form. Convert given statement pattern into symbolic form. Then here statement P is surface area decreases. In this statement P is surface area decreases and statement Q is pressure increases. Okay, then symbolic form of this statement is P implication Q. Okay, then converse of this statement, all of you know that converse of P implication Q is Q implication P. Okay, converse of P implication Q is Q implication P, means if Q then P. Then converse of this statement is if pressure increases then surface area decreases. Okay, now second one, inverse of this statement is negation P implication negation Q. Okay, then inverse of P implication Q is negation P implication negation Q. Then inverse of this statement is if surface area does not decreases, then pressure does not increase. If surface area does not decrease, then the pressure does not increase. In simple way, you can say that negation of P surface area decreases is surface area does not decreases, and negation of Q pressure increases is pressure does not increase. Okay, then inverse of this statement is if surface area does not decrease, then pressure does not increase. Okay, now third one, contrapositive of P implication Q is negation of Q implication negation of P. Okay, all of you know that negation of Q is pressure does not increase, and negation of P is surface area does not decrease. Okay, then contrapositive of this statement is if pressure does not increase, then surface area does not decrease. Okay, होप सबको